Hey everyone, this workflow automates your daily outreach process by reading leads from a Google Sheet, sending personalized emails via Gmail, and updating the sheets automatically with the send status, all without manual effort. It's a smart control system for managing large lead lists while preventing duplicate sends as a maintaining to clear record of progress. The workflow consists of a schedule trigger, the Google Sheets function node, Gmail node, wait node, and a split batches, along with the if node. This is a Sheets data consists of first name, last name, email, company phone number, tagline, and product details. Currently, we have only 5 records for testing. The workflow runs automatically each day by selecting a specific time. The Google Sheets it 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 connects to your specific sheet in which the data is saved and fetches all lead entries, expected columns including the email name and other details. The function node filters and normalizes the data, removes duplicate and invalid emails, exclude leads already marked as sent. Each email is processed individually, ensuring a smooth execution and making it easier to handle failures without stopping the entire workflow in a split batches node. The wait, the wait node adds a small delay between each email. Here I have put it 20 seconds, helping to stay with Gmail rate limit and avoiding spam flags. The Gmail node sends a personalized outreach email using the leads data including the first name email as an input. Then the if node to check the condition. If successful, the row is updated in Google Sheets via GS update node, marking the lead as sent, increasing the attempt count and clearing any error logs. If failed, the row is updated via GS update error, marking it as error, recording the issue message and incrementing the attempt count.